Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Chapter 5 Fractions and Decimals. What are decimal numbers? Let us see what is a decimal. Fractions which has a denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. A decimal number is a number with decimal point. Now let us see what is a decimal point. The dot or the point between the two digits is called as decimal point. Let us see an example 1 by 10. Here denominator is 10, so it is a decimal fraction. This can be written as decimal number, that is 0.1. So here this point is called as decimal point. Let us see another example 1 by 100. Here also denominator is 100, so this fraction is called as decimal fraction. And this can be written as decimal number by placing the decimal point. See here 1 by 100 means 0.01. See now what are tenths. The fraction 1 by 10 is written as 0.1 and it is read as 0.1 or 1/10. See the example 9 by 10. It can be called as 9 tenths, that equals to 0.9. See another example 6 by 10. It can also read as 6 tenths, that equals to 0.6. Now let us see what are hundredths. The fraction 1 by 100 is written as 0.01 or we can call it as 1/100th. See the example 35 by 100 is also called as 35 hundredths, that equals to 0.35. Next 15 by 100. Or it can be called as 15 hundredths, that equals to 0.15. Now let us see 0.15 how to convert into fraction. See here 0.15, decimal point after two places were there. So write on this decimal after number, you write on 15. Decimal after two digits were there. Two digits there means denominator we have to write 100. If decimal after one digit is there, we have to write denominator 10. Decimal after if there are three digits, we must write in the denominator 1000. Here in this example, decimal after two digits were there. So write down decimal after value, that is 15 by, here these are two digits, so write down by 100. So 0.15 written as 15 by 100. Now we can split this 15 by 100 like 10 by 100 plus 5 by 100. That equals to, if we cancel 0 and 0, we get 1 by 10 plus 5 by 100. 1/10, that is 10th place value 1 is there, plus 5 by 100th, that means 100th place 5 is present. So we can write 0.15 as 1 by 10 plus 5 by 100. See the example 587 by 100, that equals to 5.87. That equals to 5 plus 10th place 8 is there. So write on 8 by 10 plus 100th place 7 is there. So write on 7 by 100. See another example 642 by 100. That equals to 6.42. That equals to 6 plus 10th place 4. So 4 by 10 plus 100th place 2 is there. So write on 2 by 100. See note. Number of digits after the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. See in this example decimal point after two digits were there. So there are two decimal places we can call it. See definition, a decimal number has two parts. The whole number part and the decimal part separated by a decimal point. See the example 4.73. Here 4 is called as whole number part. Point is called decimal point and 73 decimal after the digits were called decimal number part. See now what are thousandths. If we divide a whole number into 1000 equal parts, then each part of the whole number represents 1000th. So 1 by 1000, that equals to 0.001 or we can call it as 1000th. See example 0.235. It can be called as 235 thousandths, that equals to 10th plus 2 is there. So write 2 by 10 plus 100th plus 3 is there, 3 by 100 plus 1000th plus 5 is there, write down 5 by 1000. Similarly, see another example, 47.107, that equals to 47 plus 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Here 47 can be written as either 47 or 40 plus 7 plus 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000 also can be written. See another example, 4 by 10. This can be written in decimal form as 0.4. Observe the denominator here, 10 is there. See the answer, decimal after only one decimal place is there. Similarly, see another example, 2 by 100. Here in denominator 2 zeros were there. Decimal after 2 digits were present. See here 2 by 100 means written as 0.02. See another example, 429 by 1000. That equals to 0.429. Here in 1000 3 zeros were there. In answer, decimal after 3 digits were present. So based on the denominator number of zeros, decimal point after that many digits will be present. See, now check your progress, fill in the blanks. First fraction 6 by 10. In decimal form is 0.6 and read as 0.6. See the second one, 37 by 100. That can be written as 0.37 and read as 0.37. See third one, they have given decimal number 0.721. So decimal after 3 digits were present. First write down the decimal after digits 721. So 3 places, so write down by 1000. So 0.721 fraction form is 721 by 1000. This can be read as 0.721. See third one, they have given 17.2. So write down the decimal value 17.2. Now this we have to write in fraction form. See now 17.2 can be written as 17. Decimal after one digit is there, write down 2 by 10. 17.2 can be written in fraction form as 17 2 by 10. Today we have seen chapter 5, fractions and decimals. What are decimal fractions or decimal numbers with examples. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.